All right, let's go. Go get them.
Let's get them all. How you doing, man?
Okay, it's been a while since I've been out. I'm having
Wow.
fun. Little ice to look out for.
Yeah, you're lucky it's not as cold.
It's awesome out.
This is not like last week, dude. It was so cold. Fuck. I mean, your hands just, you couldn't ride.
I've been practicing a little bit in the mornings at work. I'll go ride for a half hour. I got some ruts, figure eights and shit, and I'll go, you know, as soon as I can see the ruts, and it's, you got to stop every 5 minutes and get your hands on the pipe and warm them up.